Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Techavro. Hope you guys having a great day. In this video, I'm going to show you how can you rotate your iPhone video. So guys, if you want to rotate a video that you have made, you can just simply do it by your phone edit option. So just go to that video in your photos. I'm choosing this video. Now in the top right here you can see the edit option, click on it. And after clicking on edit, in the bottom last side here you can see crop, click on it, crop. And after clicking on crop, in the top left side here you can see there is option which is cancel, and under cancel there are two options. You need to click on the right option, this one. By clicking this, your video will be rotate like this. Just simply rotate the video as you want, and after that just click the top right done, and by clicking done your video rotation will be completed. So guys, that's how you can rotate iPhone video. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find it helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Take care, bro. Thank you very much for watching the video.